In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Keep 2026 for productivity and notes, 5 minutes. Start by opening keep.google.com in your web browser or download the Google Keep app on your phone or tablet. Sign in with your Google account to land on a clean card-style board where all your notes live. This space is designed to be quick and flexible so you can capture ideas the moment they pop up. To create your first note, click or tap the field that says Take a Note. Add a short, clear title to make it easy to spot later, then type the details in the body. When you're finished, select Close or simply tap Away. There's no Save button. Keep saves automatically and syncs across your devices, so your notes follow you everywhere. You can choose different types of notes depending on what you need. A standard text note works for ideas, meeting takeaways, or reminders to yourself. For to-dos, switch to a checklist with the checklist icon, perfect for shopping lists or task breakdowns. You can add items quickly, check them off as you go, and reorder them to match your priorities. If you're a visual thinker, open a drawing note and sketch with the pen, highlighter, and eraser tools. On mobile, this is especially handy for quick diagrams or handwriting. When you're on the move, use the microphone to record a voice memo. Keep will transcribe it into text while saving the audio. And if a picture says it best, add an image from your device or snap a new photo directly into your note. Once you've captured a few notes, organize them so the right things stand out. Use the paint palette icon to apply colors, maybe one color for work, another for personal, and a third for errands. Add labels to group related notes. You can choose add label or simply type hashtags like hash work or hide home within the note to categorize and filter later. Keep important items front and center by clicking the push pin icon to pin them at the top. When a note is finished but still worth keeping, archive it to clear your main view without deleting it. You can always browse the archive when you need it again. For time-sensitive items, click the bell icon to set reminders by date and time or even by location so you're alerted when you arrive somewhere relevant. And if you're working with others, use the person icon to share a note and collaborate in real time. Great for shared lists or quick team updates. That's the essentials of Google Keep. Capture, organize, and act simply and fast.